All right, everyone. So it's 2 o'clock in the afternoon now, and I've spent the majority of today in the kitchen. But everything is going. Um, I've got 2 desserts done, stuffing's done, turkey's in the oven, potatoes are on the stove, and I think I deserve a pumpkin pie break right now. What do you guys think? I think I do. Yep, I'm not going to wait for dessert tonight after supper to have some pumpkin pie because this pie is big enough. It's gonna be plenty of pie. Besides, I made the apple pie also. So yeah, I'm ready to dig into this thing. Let's cut it. So it has been a good day. It started off sunny and now it's cloudy. So it's been a good day. Yeah. So I text my brother to wish him a happy Thanksgiving. So him and his wife are spending it with the in-laws or her parents. And then I forgot what they're celebrating themselves tomorrow, but today they're gonna spend it with their her parents. So, oh, that came out nice and smooth. Oh yeah. I should just dump it inside this tub and eat it out of there. I gotta tell you something. When I was making this pie last night, when all I was doing is putting all the ingredients together, it smelled amazing. Oh, pumpkin pie, my favorite. I love pumpkin pie. And since using this recipe, when I tried it last time, oh, I used the Libby's recipe, Libby's famous pumpkin pie. All right, let's get some whipped topping on this thing. Glenn is napping right now. If you've been with the channel for a while, you know, and maybe you don't remember, it's a tradition for us to watch Grumpy Old Men on Thanksgiving. And because when Glenn was an able-bodied person, we used to go ice fishing. And Grumpy Old Men, when they ice fish, kind of led us into our ice fishing season. So even though we can't ice fish anymore, it's more of a tradition to watch Grumpy Old Men on Thanksgiving. So we'll be watching that when we eat tonight. And usually he falls asleep. And I end up watching Grumpy Old Men too. So yeah, that looks delicious. Can't wait to dig in. Okay, so I just realized I did a taste test and I wasn't even recording. So yeah, it tastes really good. I'm going to go enjoy this piece of pumpkin pie and then I got to get back to it because I want to get some Christmas totes up here. I never got to Christmas stuff yesterday. And I at least want to get the totes up here. I don't know if I'll get to any decorating today because I am wiped out right now. I've been on my feet all day. My back's a little sore. So, yeah, I don't know if I'll actually get to decorating today. But I want to at least try to get some Christmas lights up on the windows. And maybe a couple other things. So, all right. So, stay tuned. All right, everyone, so it's coming down to the end where everything's almost done. I just got done mashing the potatoes, so that's ready to go. The turkey's almost ready. I want to get some juice out of it so I can start making the gravy before it gets done. And I have the canned goods here. This is what we use for our candied yams. Bruce's candied yams in kettle simmered syrup. So we just pour it in our saucepan. And we throw some mini marshmallows in there. And we just warm it up until the marshmallows melt. And then it becomes a thick syrup in there that sweetens it up. So I'm going to go ahead and start putting stuff on to warm up. Well, I've got the cranberries for Glenn. It's an upside down can. And I just got to serve that in his plate. And I'll start cooking this on low. Of course, you always got to have some marshmallows when you open it up. And then I'm gonna actually just put the can of corn in the microwave with in here and some butter. This is where all my littles come in. I use all my Dollar Tree utensils. So one will be for the yams, one will be for the corn. I've already got a big spoon for the potatoes because those are a little heavier. And yeah, I'm just gonna put some butter and salt and pepper in the corn, and that'll go in the microwave. Let me get this on the stove. Alright, so I'm gonna finish up, and then yeah, the next time I come back, it may be with the plated stuff. I am tired. I am like done. So, all right, I will be back. All right, everyone. So it's been 3 hours for the turkey, and that's what it looks like. And remember, this is the bottom side. I want to get some of that juice out for the gravy so I can start mixing that up right away. So yeah. And my battery on my phone is running super low, so not sure how much more recording I can do without being near a USB charge. So, all right, so I'm gonna get to this and I'll be back. Okay, so I just pulled a piece out of here and it just pulled right up. It didn't even struggle. So if I can pull this apart without struggling, if it just falls apart, to me that's done. So, and that tasted pretty good. That was part of the... Look, this just pulls apart like that. Oh yeah, that's done. Oh, that meat looks so good. Yeah, it's just pulling apart. So, the trick for me is getting the meat from the breast on the bottom. I managed to do it, but it's always, I don't never remember how I do it without getting the juice everywhere. But right now I need to get some juice out of there. Okay, I was able to pull some juice out of it, obviously, and I'm just going to throw it through, run it through the strainer. All right, so now I'm going to start making my gravy. A little bit of milk, a little bit of flour, salt and pepper, and yeah, we'll be good to go, I think. So this is our special Thanksgiving dinnerware. We've been using these for so many years, except we didn't use them last year, and I'm not sure the year before. We used to actually get the Hefty brand, but these are from the Dollar Tree. So just the different compartments are convenient for the amount of different sides that got to go on the plate, so that's why we get them. And we basically only use them for Thanksgiving. And we might use them once during the year if we have like a chicken dinner or something, but mainly for Thanksgiving. So I think it was a 20-pack that'll last us for several years. So we are almost ready to plate these and eat some food. All right, everyone. Supper is served. There's our Thanksgiving dinner. We're going to get to eating before it gets too cold. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch it. I appreciate all the support. And with that, remember to live life, be good to yourself, and be good to others. Until next time.